Hey there, it's Joseph, and welcome back to the YouTube channel dedicated to San Miguel de Allende's secrets. As always, if you want more information on Posadas or when Mary and Joseph come to town, feel free to click any of the links in the descriptive box below, including the link to Amazon.com that'll offer you for sale any of the best-selling books in the San Miguel de Allende's Secrets book series. The 9 Nights of the Posadas, which means inn, represent the 9-day journey of Mary and Joseph from Nazareth to Bethlehem from December 16th until Christmas Eve. Throughout the town each night, a boy dressed as Joseph and a young girl dressed as Mary, usually riding a donkey, and the accompanying angels parade through the streets knocking on doors, only to be turned away because there is, quote, no room at the inn. The tradition has been performed in San Miguel de Allende since the 18th century. Originally, the children approached the doors of the wealthy Spaniards. Though denied entrance to the inn, the children did receive fruits, sweets, and small gifts, as San Miguel's wealthiest competed between the various families to see who gave the best posada treats. In exchange, San Miguel de Allende's poorest children received holiday treats otherwise unavailable to them. Today, sometimes a nativity set is carried door to door instead of using child actors. Through song, the holy couple will eventually find an open door and welcome, and everyone is offered fruit and a hot fruit drink. Piñatas get broken, representing the destruction of the 7 deadly sins of wrath, greed, sloth, pride, lust, envy, and gluttony, while emerging candy is then gobbled. It's a moving way to enjoy the spirit of the season while reminding all the good things that come when you overcome the deadly sins. Originally, posadas were introduced in Mexico by the Augustine clergy to replace the indigenous celebration for the sun and the god Quetzalcoatl. Celebrations that included human sacrifice to the moon were also replaced by posadas. As always, feel free to click the subscribe button below and you'll get notifications of new videos that come out nearly daily here on the YouTube channel dedicated to San Miguel de Allende's secrets.